Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna be killing everyone in this code, in PvP code. Currently, they're kind of getting mad, so, you know. So, I'm gonna just go kill them.
If someone leaves, I need to do a giveaway, but my friend's got the stuff. Someone leaves, my friend's doing a giveaway, and he's got the stuff.
There he is!
Sorry.
Join the code 7382 for a giveaway.
Die!
Wait,
What's the code?
I'm just done!
Hello?
7832.
Help you!
You're one. What's up? You keep trying to kill one.
7832.
Bro, this kid, he's like, guys, I got him! take his stuff. At least I'm in it. Disintegrated. There's another kid. Not the saying I have aimbot. Apparently now they're saying that I have aimbot. Which, you know, they're getting rage rated, so. And they're like, bro, why are you killing everyone for no reason? Bro, PvP code. Oh, yes, I have one.
Dude, how did you do that? I'm 100 miles away. No, guys, it's got infinite bullets. It's got infinite bullets.
Oh my god, bro. What the heck? He said I have infinite
He
bullets.
has a lot of ammo.
Oh my
For
god.
cheating. I'm reporting him for cheating.
Oh my god. Bro, this dude. He's like, he has
Oh! Chris! Give me 50 bubble. I have lots of ammo now.
this dude, bro. Bro, this dude saying I have Eden. Holy, bro.
Take his revolver.
Yo, we got all your loot, buddy.
Okay.
Yo.
Back up.
Hey, bro,
Yo,
you guys are
killed you,
dumb.
man.
Or at least that one kid is.
Okay.
He says I'm cheating, bro.
Use all his ammo.
Use all his ammo.
Use all his ammo right now.
Use all his ammo right now.
Infinite ammo.
Infinite ammo.
How do you get another gun?
Dude!
Guys, this
How did he get another
What's his
gun?
username?
I'm gonna report him for cheating. Dude, this
Report! Oh my god!
Just one.
Hey, yo, you guys can't report me. I ain't cheating. You guys can't report me for cheating.
I
I'm not cheating.
reported.
You can't, bro. You're false reporting.
Yo, the weapon said you have cheating.
That ain't cheating, bro. Oh, this is funny.
Everyone, bring it back there! Oh, bring it back there! Oh, shoot! Yeah, oh, the blue guy? He's there. Guys, he's there.
Oh, they're using my ammo. Dude, why you guys reporting me for cheating? I'm not even cheating, gang. This dude.
Get over here!
Down again? Down again? I need him down immediately. I need him down.
I wonder what they're reporting me.
I'm gonna go hunt him down.
Wait, everyone. This is revolver. I don't know. Right there.
Oh, you have to use
Yes,
combined?
Yo, I got him.
Yo, guys, you can use all my ammo. I don't care, gang. Hey, yo, you want some ammo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
They're all acting like these are rare items. They're
How
ramen.
much do you need, bro?
Back in the whirlpool.
They're ramen, bro. I'm not even cheating, too, you know.
You don't need so much. God damn.
Some people are saying I have infinite ammo, and they're like, "You're cheating! You're cheating! You're cheating! Report him! Report him!"
Bruh. Just
Hey,
lots of ammo.
yeah, I have a save loadout. Hey, I'm gonna go assassinate him. You want a team?
Okay. Sure. I'm
Alright.
literally a sniper.
Wait, do you guys all want a team? You guys all want a team?
Yes. Yeah.
Alright, come on, go.
I'm the best. No, this is battle. Wait, we're taking this one. Go, please. Oh my. What? I saw him. You need to run. I got him. Can somebody revive me?
Okay, I'm kill him. I'm gonna be a true warrior. Don't do that. Don't kill him yet.
So annoying, little bro.
Everyone
Yeah,
in the show knows how to get to amazing. They get it on.
Grab your shield. Dispatch, he's invisible. Someone's reviving. Why are you trying? I'm not him. Revive him.
Too late.
Alright, yeah,
No, it's me. It's mine. I can buy you one.
Everyone go into full.
guys, that's the end of the video. If you like it, subscribe. Like the video. You don't have to comment or like, really. I just want you to subscribe. But yeah, for some reason they report me for cheating and stuff. But you know, they're dumb. Alright. Bye bye.